Hey, XRP Army. It's Leo here, your ultimate crypto insider who's been deep in the ledger game since day one. If you're tuning in right now, get ready for a total paradigm shift because everyone, absolutely everyone, is flat out wrong about XRP's price. They're dismissing it as just another pump, a post-CC casualty, or some sidekick to Bitcoin's show. But hold on tight. Today, November 3rd, 2025, with XRP holding strong at 2.30, I've dug into the hottest X buzz that's exploding as we speak. Whale accumulations hitting records, Q3 metrics shattering expectations, with tokenized assets up over 200% to $364 million, and chart patterns pointing to a breakout that could smash $10 in days. What if I told you this isn't just hype, but the setup for a $50 surge by year end? This is exclusive intel, straight from the front lines you won't get anywhere else. Stick with me through this hour, and you'll walk away armed with the alpha to crush it. But first, smash that like button. If you're ready to rethink everything, drop your XRP price target in the comments below, subscribe for more game-changing drops, and share this with your crew. Let's blow this up together. Quick disclaimer up front. I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and consult pros before making moves. Alright, let's jump in. Why is the masses' take on XRP so off base? They're fixated on the surface. 2.30 price tag, a solid 27% Q3 climb, market cap over $170 billion, and shrugging it off like, hey, cute rally, but it'll fade back to sub-dollar levels. Nope, that's missing the forest for the trees. XRP isn't your average spec play, it's the engine powering cross-border payments, real-world asset tokenization, and the ISO 2022 wave that's about to hit 12,000 banks by November 22nd. Think about it. The old SWIFT system, slow, expensive, full of friction, versus XRP's lightning-fast 4-second settlements at fractions of a penny. That's not pie in the sky, that's operational reality on the XRPL today. But here's the bombshell that hooked me scrolling X this morning. Check out this tweet from a Dr. Whale reel that's going viral with over 680 likes and 200 replies already. They're dropping a 4-month prediction. XRP hitting $2 to $4, alongside BTC at $130K to $150K, and SL at $300 to $600. And they're asking, did we miss any? The comments are lit. People adding their own coins, debating targets, building their community fire. This isn't random. It's backed by on-chain data showing exchange balances at multi-year lows, meaning long-term holders are stacking, not selling. It's like a pressure cooker ready to blow. If you're nodding along, hit that like now to show you're in the know. Comment your 4-month XRP prediction, sub if you haven't, and share to spread the word. Virality starts with you. Let's build this out step by step, like we're strategizing over coffee as top insiders. Visualize XRP as the universal adapter for global finance, plugging in seamlessly where legacy systems fail. We've weathered the SEC storm, and now Ripple's victories are unlocking doors. Today's X chatter is off the charts, and I'm weaving in the freshest takes to prove it. For instance, 0x Quantic from Flare Networks is super bullish, tweeting about ETFs, prediction markets, new yield vaults, and XRP staking, over 100 likes, sparking talks on institutional deployments. Why so optimistic? Because Flare's tying into XRPL for real utility, not just hype. Diving deeper into the surge. First, the utility boom. That 215% jump in tokenized RWAs to $364 million. Straight fire. Institutions are tokenizing everything from real estate to bonds on XRPL. Core Cheese 002's prediction tweet mirrors our Dr. Whale reels, with XRP at $2 and it's racked up 1,400 likes and 450 replies. People are engaging hard, asking about missed coins like Manta. This shows the community's alive and debating, which drives views and shares. Rhetorical question. Why would big players like Standard Chartered pilot stablecoins on XRPL for global trade if it wasn't set to explode? Hang on, because in a bit I'll reveal how this links to whale activity that could 10x us. Don't drop off now. Shifting to institutional moves. Whispers are turning to shouts on X. Crypto Chrome dropped an AI-narrated video on an XRP burn scenario. If Ripple burns 20% from escrow, Gemini's math suggests 66 per coin. It's got 198 likes, 39 reposts, and views over 19k. Pure engagement bait. Not a prediction, but a wild model highlighting supply dynamics. And a Javon TM1's chart analysis? They're showing XRP potentially outpacing BTC by over 600%, leading to massive price gains, building on a past 5 and 70% run. 161 likes, 37 reposts. Traders are loving it. If this resonates, pause and like this video, comment, burn baby burn. If you're hyped, subscribe for daily breakdowns and share with a friend who's doubting XRP. Let's convert the skeptics. Technicals are screaming opportunity too. Steph, is crypto might not be in my pool, but similar vibes from Tony the Bull CMT warning of bearish crosses, yet history shows bulls prevail. Today's triangle patterns from various charts point to $10 breakouts. What if Swell Conference drops ETF news tomorrow, flooding liquidity? That's FOMO fuel, and a Ripple XRP post on XRP spot ETF, set for November launch after SEC clause removal. 348 likes, 105 reposts. They're tying it to prediction games on X-Magnetic, but the core is ETF hype driving surges. We're about 10 minutes in. If you're still here, you're committed, so reward yourself. Like if this is opening your eyes, comment your biggest XRP doubt so we can crush it together, sub for exclusive alerts, and share to build our army bigger. Expanding on community reactions. And Baron Dominus quoted Jim Cramer saying, XRP won't hit $10 this year. And Ace Adrian Godoy 2000 replied, that's exactly what we needed. This guy's prediction will catapult XRP. Over 30,500 likes on the original, 130 on the reply. Classic inverse Kramer meme, driving laughs and debates. Comments are flooded with "to the moon" and price guesses. This is virality in action. Humor plus controversy equals shares. More from X. At XRP Avengers shared a video on rumors of XRP to $10,000 from a divine vision, plus hype on XBonk on XRPL hitting $200 if market cap surges. 490 likes, 125 reposts, meme energy mixing with utility talk. Not endorsing, but it shows the wild speculation fueling engagement. Is Universe 20's realistic year-end predictions, XRP 5+, with regrets for selling cheap, 74 likes, straight FOMO. If you're feeling that urgency, hit like to affirm, comment your year-end target, mine's 50, debate me. Subscribe now for more, and share this far and wide. Let's make this the most engaged XRP video out there. Now, let's tackle those myths head on, because if you're like 90% of viewers, you've got pain points from past dips holding you back. Myth 1. XRP is too tied to Ripple and regulation. It's doomed. False. Ledgers decentralized, partnerships like SBI and Santander are thriving. Michael 6314067 tweeted about analyst Nati Girassi predicting XRP ETF flows exceeding expectations. Echoing Bitwise's CIO, 64 likes, solid cred. Myth 2. No retail buzz means no moon. Laughable, X is buzzing. Crypto NDO listed missed news like 1B XRP DAT on Nasdaq, Bitwise ETF prediction, Ondo with Chainlink. 85 likes, inviting live streams for more. Myth 3. Bearish charts kill the vibe. Not with Rip Bullwinkle's November prediction of double-digit rally from record withdrawals, 61 likes. Address your doubt. If you're hesitating, this is your sign. Excitement building. Feel it? Another CTA burst. If busting these myths fired you up, smash like, comment, myth busted, with your fave, sub for myth busting series, share to educate your network. Engagement is key to algorithm love. Climactic reveal. With Swell tomorrow, ETFs launching like a MEXC officials prediction market upgrade, adding XRP pairs, 93 likes, and Good Evening Crypto Space on HBAR ETF Live, XRP Next, Kevin O'Leary bullish. Prediction, $50 by December on RWA Trillions. Insider exclusive, this convergence is historic. Recapping wins, exploding metrics, institutional buy-in, primed techs, unbreakable community like our XRP, DigiGold's election predictions, tying to XRP's strength. Emotionally, XRP's freedom, sovereignty for all. If this transformed your view, like massively, Comment your transform prediction, subscribe immediately for the edge, and share everywhere. Together, we moon XRP, Leo out, stay legendary.